Good evening, this is Gary, and as you lie down tonight, give yourself permission to let go for a while. You've done enough for today. You've thought enough, tried enough, cared enough. This time, right now, is yours. So, take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it go. And again, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth, feeling your shoulders soften, your jaw loosen, and your chest relax. And as the body begins to settle now, just allow your mind to slow down too. You don't need to fix anything right now. You don't need to control the world. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Let those words become a quiet rhythm in your mind. I have power over my mind. Let's reflect gently on that tonight. All through the day, your mind has reached out, trying to manage, to understand, to hold everything together. But the Stoics remind us, not everything is ours to carry. Right now, imagine settling down and the weight of the world beside your bed. Maybe in a box, maybe just resting there. Just see it there right now, all of those worries. Those conversations replaying in your head. The things you wish had gone differently. They're safe, just there. You can return to them tomorrow, but tonight, you rest. So, breathe in calm and breathe out everything beyond your control. And with every breath, you return home to the one place you truly can influence, your inner world. Feel how quiet that inner space becomes when you stop resisting. There's no need to prove, to fix, to rush. There is just this moment and the calm within it. And as you listen to my voice, allow your attention to drift from your breath and feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Notice how your body breathes without your effort, how peace doesn't have to be chased, only allowed. As your body grows heavier, your thoughts grow lighter. They float above you like clouds slowly moving across the clear night sky. You might notice one thought, something unfinished, a worry, a regret, and that's okay. Just acknowledge it kindly. Then whisper softly to yourself, "Not mine to control," and let it drift away. Tonight, sleep is your teacher. It shows you how to surrender, how to let the world turn without your hand on the wheel. You are safe, you are enough, and you are allowed to rest. And as you hear my voice, Just settle now, breathing deeper as you imagine a small light glowing gently within your chest, your inner calm, your stoic center. It doesn't flicker with the chaos of the day, it simply is. And as that light grows warmer, you drift closer to the stillness of sleep. If thoughts arise, greet them like gentle visitors. Thank them and let them pass. Each breath carries you further into rest, further into peace, further into the wisdom of letting go. Because tonight, there's nothing to do, nothing to fix, nothing to control. Only peace, only rest, only this moment. So, breathe and allow sleep to find you naturally. Let your body soften completely now, from your head to your shoulders, to your heart, to your hands, to your legs, and to your feet. Everything loosening, everything releasing, everything returning to stillness. And as you drift off, remember, the world will wait. You've earned this rest. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. And tonight, your thoughts are calm, kind, and clear. Peace is here. Sleep deeply, my friend. You are safe. You are calm. You are home.